What's up, Ice Nation? It's your girl, Imani, back again with another video. Wait, let me redo that. What's up, Ice Nation? It's your girl, Imani, back again with another video. And today I'm here with Baby Lar. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I gotta tickle you. If you don't say, I gotta tickle you. Who doesn't say hi? Alright. And today I'm gonna be talking about this Hurricane Irma. And it's raining right now. So, sister, when you get prepared, so we can be safe. Nothing's gonna happen to you because sister's here. I will beat that hurricane. I will punch it in the face. Okay? I'm gonna have it over. I'm gonna have it over you, so you can be safe, and so could brother. Cause twin brother downstairs chilling right now, right? And you chilling with sister. You chilling with sister. But yeah, and I think all of this is like scary and intense at the same time. Everything's closed, all the water gone, all the gas gone. Everybody is like horrible traffic. Since I live in Florida, sister, I'm scared. Alright, come here. I got you. And stuff like that. So I honestly think that this is scary, but at the same time, it's like you gotta be prepared, not scared, as they were saying on the news and stuff. But it's raining right now, and I keep hearing like soft bangs, so I'm kind of getting frightened, right, sister? Frightened. And yeah, and stuff like that. So I hope all you guys stay safe, and like, but we're not gonna evacuate. We're just gonna ride this one out and see where it goes from there. Right, sister? Yo, your eyeballs look so pretty. They look so cute. But yeah, and like I said, hope all you guys stay safe. And if you are going somewhere, still stay safe. And as you always know, well, no, when I ended this real quick, I have to have a talk with Slow. Ooh, you wanna give me a kiss? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sister. I love my baby Lar. So I don't care what nobody says. I don't care if y'all call her fat, tubby, ugly. I'ma bust you. You gonna sneeze in my face like that? After I'm trying to help you? After I got your back and everything, sister? That's your payback, bro? How dare I? I still love you though. But I love my sister to death. Do anything for my baby Lara and baby Ezra, my little brother. Hey, what you doing? But ow! This little girl keeps scratching me. You know what you need to do? You know what you need to do? Ooh, I see those two little teeth, boy. Ooh, she's spitting up. I'll be right back. I'm back. You stay trying to eat everything, baby girl. Eating your hand, eating covers, eating phones. For real, she tried to eat my phone earlier. Hey, don't do that to me. And yeah, baby Lara is so chunky. This is my little potato head. So, yeah, this is gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys stay safe. I'm scared. I think I'm gonna die. But hopefully not, God forbid. What is you looking at? Sister. 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 What you looking at? You little chunky hands. But yeah, I hope you. Hey, you see, she trying to put my finger in her mouth. I call her shit down there. And hope you guys stay safe. And that's all I gotta say. If you don't see me in more than 3 months, I didn't even know how to say it. 3 months, there's a problem. If you, well, you will see me after the hurricane's over. I know I'm gonna survive because I got my baby Lion, the super ninja over here, and I got my baby Ezra, the super ninja over there. I'm acting stupid. And yeah, so love you guys and peace.